This video with Roger Teixeira will show you how easy it is to remove scratches from your soapstone countertops.
Since soapstone is a soft stone, it can get scratched. However, unlike other materials, you can repair the scratches yourself without having to call a professional or use any special tools. Small scratches like the one on this mineral oil treated countertop may not need anything but a little dab of mineral oil. For deeper scratches, use a coarse piece of sandpaper and rub it in a circular motion until the scratch disappears. Then apply a finer grit sandpaper to make it smooth. Once you're done, clean up the dust using a wet rag. Allow it to dry and just reapply the mineral oil to return the soapstone to its original finish.